so that we're all crystal clear. Move to set a public hearing on August 15th, 2024 at 10 a.m. to consider for the Harris County Flood Control District the proposed 2024 tax rates per $100 of taxable value of $0.03740 for maintenance and operations and $0.01123 for debt service, for a total tax rate of $0.004,897, which is greater than the voter approval rate, and to direct the Office of Management and Budget, the tax assessor collector, and other relevant departments to execute and publish all related notices as required by applicable law. And these were the friendly amendment parts, and commit to the voters in 2030 to present the impact of this assessment. And Flood Control District commits to using the funding in part for a fast action team. Commissioner Garcia, did I get your portions correct?
Correct.
So I made the motion. So
And
moved.
Judge, quick parliamentary inquiry from legal. Does in any way that impact the statutory language that has to be published? Just a friendly amendment. I just want to make sure Commissioner Garcia does not impact that.
I believe you'll be voting on the actual bond language, the proposition language at the next court.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we have a motion by Commissioner Briones, second by Garcia. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries unanimously. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Director. This is a big deal.
I
Thank
would
you.
like to at least register my vote, Judge, if I could.
Yes, my colleague here, when he's silent, it's a yes, and when I ask to clarify, I get a glare. So I just,
That's what he does. That's not what
I can't cater to any one of them, so I'm going to keep
not
asking
asking
you
you to
for
cater
your vote.
anybody. Clearly,
I'm
you
explaining
have
what,
issues
Commissioner,
tonight.
stop.
So I'm going to support this.
I assumed you had because that's what I do
based
here. So I'm
on-
going to start asking
based
you,
on
Garcia,
nothing
without the
that
glare,
the
please.
judge
The
has said
commissioner has the
tonight.
floor.
So I am registering my vote for it.
Thank you.
Commissioner.
Thank you. And
Thank you,
I'll
Commissioner Epstein.
continue asking Commissioner Garcia. So if he glares back, I'm sorry, Commissioner, but I'm going to ask you because I
Can
don't
we
like
please
assuming.
get back to the people's work point of
running
order
a
from our county attorney's
Why
office?
don't you instead help your colleague when somebody else is attacking her personally? Commissioner, of course, I assumed you'd voted yes. That's why I went to say unanimously because that's what I do with Garcia.
Point of order, the vote has been called. Can we move to the next? item?
Goodness, you
Judge,
guys.
can I
chill.
suggest we
I
take
was saying it's a good answer. 5-0. I'm gonna ask you as many times as you glare at me what your vote
Order,
is,
The motion's been had.
Could we
Can we
please
move?
take
Can
a
we call the
bathroom
next
break?
item?
and then
I'm sorry, would you be able to?
Yeah, so
I have to call
just
it.
be
You
clear,
guys
there's been a
chill. Oh
vote.
my God.
There's been a vote.
I know
Your
I-
rules state that when there's been a vote, you move on.
Right, and I have to
Under-
call
under-
it.
But 1 second, on decorum questions, that's something that you all have to resolve. Rosenberg's rules, which you adopted, basically call on the chair to enforce rules of decorum. Those are the rules you adopted. There's nothing that we can do to enforce those rules.
I don't know what you're talking about, Fonbon.
So I think you just have to announce the vote.
I'm trying to address Commissioner Garcia's point of order.
I'm just trying to clarify, what does this item fall under, this vote that was just made? Is it for item 28 or 135?
135.
And I haven't called the
135.
result, I don't think.
You did.
Did I?
Yes, you
Did I say 5-0?
Yes, you did.
So why was this whole
We're moving
problem
on to the
happen?
next item now.
So
I just don't like this kind of rude behavior from males. I'm sorry, but I don't.
So item 28,
I'm not going to put up with it.
I'm
with
sorry,
the glaring,
item-
with not saying hello. He doesn't even look at me. Look at that. I say hello, he won't look at me.
I'll look at you to call the next item. Please do so.
Thank you for being respectful for once. It's 9:27. We're taking a break, and I am done taking your disrespect.
Judge, can I
Someone
suggest?
says hello, you say hello back.
Can I suggest we let the staff take a break as well? So maybe a 30-minute break?
Please.
Is that okay?
No, 5-minute break, we gotta go back. 10-minute break.
10 minutes.